Hey, Indianapolis real estate agents, it's your boy, Travis Brown from Mojo Up. Listen, I know most of you have crushed it in 2019, but you're already starting to think, what about 2020? What am I going to do to stand out? How am I going to differentiate myself? Well, I've got the perfect training for you called How to Pick a Niche and Grow Rich. Really, niches are always in the riches because you become a go-to person for something. And then when you do that, it elevates your influence, your visibility, and ultimately your profitability. Now, some of you are like, I don't want to pick a niche because my business comes from all over the place, or I don't know how to. In this training, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Here's the thing. We're going to find your primary audience, a secondary audience, and I'm also going to show you how to continue to get business from all over the place when it falls in your lap. It's so important to be recognizable for something. Now, here's the one thing I want you to think about. Just because your message or your ability to serve anybody out there doesn't mean we should be marketing it to everybody. We only have a certain amount of marketing and time dollars wise, and we want to make sure it connects with the audience we want. So in this training, I'm going to break this thing down and make it real easy for you to jump into 2020. Now, special thanks to First American Title, Bank of England Mortgage, but we're going to be doing an awesome training on this next week, and you do not want to miss this. See you there. And Mojo up!